'cause I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room. That's not the words. I'm pretty sure that's not the words. I don't know, but I'm happy. I'm happy. My Pharrell collection order is in the building. Was it too much? Probably. I'm still happy though. People, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakeedah. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you got to do is hit the subscribe button and be friends. And happy new year. Is this my first? Girl, you know this your first video for 2024. Yes, it is. Yes. I had to think about it. I shouldn't have to think about it because new Christmas Eve, no, the 23rd, I've been running the streets. I knew God gone well I wasn't on these YouTube streets. I was running the other streets. Point is, Happy New Year! But I am excited because excuse my hair and everything. Excuse my hair and everything. Let me tell you what happened. Let me explain. Alright? I was on my way because my birthday is tomorrow. Yes, it is. January 4th, baby. Capricorn in hell. Alright, grace this world with another year. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. So I was on my way to listen to other people's business in the salon while I get a wash and trim. You know what I'm saying? And my box came. Now I knew my box was coming because my CA texted me. She said, girl, I'm gonna overnight your box. It's here. I said, okay, cool. Because my husband has took off of work since I think Christmas Eve. He been here. Anyway, he was going to be home to sign for it. So I said, what a problem. Ain't no problem. Go ahead and send it. So I was on my way to get a wash and trim. UPS man showed up. I said, look at God. So I turned the car off. Yeah, I had to warm it up. It's cold. But anyway, turned the car off. What I say? Turned the car off. And we're here to do this unboxing. Now we're going to do it real quick, okay? Now I got 2 items. I only got 2. The way the prices is pricing, I only got 2. Okay? I got mouths to feed. No, I don't, but that's not the point. I got 2. So let's start off with the smallest box. Now I gotta hurry up because I do got a horror, not a hair. I got a horror appointment. So I gotta go. Now. I'm so excited. I really hope it's the shade that I need it to be. I really hope it. Look at this. I think it is. I think it is. Oh! Yes! Okay, so this is the pocket organizer. Okay, look at her. Well, I guess look at him because this is from the men's collection. So real quick setup, pocket organizer. It's like a little book, boom. It has 1, 2, 3 card slots, little slip pocket back here, and then a slip pocket back here. Wait, let me see something. Let me see something. Let me see something. Is it off? Is it off a little bit? I don't know, but it's gonna work. Okay, alright. So that is the first item that I have. And if you are interested, the product code number is N40614. How much I pay for this? How much you pay for this, girl? I don't know. I don't know, but I will find out and either leave it on the screen or in the description box. Now let's get to the main event. Let's get, because I gotta go. Because if I miss my horror appointment and my birthday tomorrow, I'm gonna be mad. Mad at who? Who are you gonna be mad at, Rakeedah? Ain't nobody tell you to drop everything and do this. Okay, anyway. Right here. Let's go. Let's go. No, but listen. Okay, real quick. I'm sorry. I know that was Anticipation. My bad. Hold on. Let me just tell you something. When I open this box, if you've been friends with me for a minute, the first thing out your mouth gonna be like, I know this heifer didn't. And just allow me to explain before you judge me and cuss me out. Okay, here we go. Okay. 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 Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I wanted to see. It's a tag on the bag. So I was okay. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm coming. I'm excited. Calm down, girl. Calm down. All right. I'm trying. I love when a collection make me this excited, because I feel like money well spent. You know what I'm saying? Okay, shut up, girl. Open the bag. Oh, it smells good. I'm sorry. Okay. It smells good. Okay. Ooh. Lock me up for this drip. Take me to jail for this drip. It should be illegal to be this drippy. Is that it? Drip? No, Listen, this bag is fly. This bag is fly. Hold on, I need to pose. Let me pose. If you saw me in the street, right, and I was just standing here with this bag like this, you would want to say hi to me. You would. Okay. Let me calm down. Let me look at it. This is so nice. Oh, it turned out to be exactly what I wanted it to be. Okay, calm. Girl, the people need some information. My bad. Okay, hold on. She's so nice. Hold on. She even smell good. How she smell good, girl? This is canvas. Okay, so this is the Louis Vuitton and Pharrell Speedy 40. Okay, now I know you're like, girl, why are we gonna cuss you out? Because my friends that's been friends with me for a minute, they know my favorite size is a 30. I have said probably a couple of times I would never go over a size 30. And I meant it. When I said it, I meant it. But when they came out with this collection, they didn't have a 30. And they didn't have a 25. They have a nano. I'm not a tiny bad girl energy. How do you say that, TB? What? You know what I'm saying? That's not me. Okay? I need a big bag. Okay? Or at least a medium-sized bag. I'm sorry. This bag is cute. I'm sorry. Oh, no. Okay. So, I want it red. And in the 25, I think it was just green and yellow. It was colors I didn't want. Okay, I wanted the red. Y'all know Louis Vuitton red is my judge. Okay, let's go over the bag. Okay, so here's the luggage tag. I should have got my CA to hot stamp it. That's okay. I'll send it back to it. Anyway, all right. It is a size 40. It is a bandolier, but it doesn't have the leather strap. Now listen, don't talk about my hands. Okay, they're a little ashy. They're a lot of ashy. But I didn't know if this was treated leather, if it was just raw Rakeedah, so I ain't putting no lotion on. Don't talk about me. Okay, so it doesn't have the leather strap going down the side, but it still have the D-rings for the strap. And speaking, look at this pull tab. Look at this pull tab. Let's do the smooth zipper test. Listen. Diggity dog. Hot diggy D dog. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Alright, that's the strap. Let's go over the bag. Okay, so here's the inside. It is textile lining. Okay, and it has one slip pocket here. Is Pharrell name on it? Pharrell, you put your name on this bag. So it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And then a French word, I don't know. Okay. but it does have year 2024. Alright, Pharrell name ain't on here. Pharrell, why did you put your name on here? Okay, so then on the other side, it is 2 slip pockets. Is there a D-ring? Yep. And then on the slip pocket side, there's a D-ring. Or a keeper. I don't know what they call it. Y'all don't use it. Okay, listen. So there we go. That's cold-blooded, man. That's cold-blooded. Oh, okay, let's get into the strap. Okay. Don't you love when stuff work out? Like when you're excited for something and it turns out exactly the way. Won't he do it? Yes, he will. Okay, listen. Here's the strap. Now the strap does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 adjustable key lengths. And it does have a keeper here. Oh, and it does have the shoulder pad. Because I think after the size 35, it becomes luggage. It's no longer a handbag. I think. Don't quote me. But I'm about 85% sure. Let's stand on that. I'm about 85%. Let's go with it. Okay. All right. So now this is age gold hardware. See it? Like, girl, I can't see that. My bad. Listen. Okay. Y'all see that? All right. Now let's put it on the bag. Child, I'm gonna miss my appointment. All right. Here she go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I am 5'8" for reference. Ooh. I like this. I like this. Look at that slouch. Now when I put an organizer in there, it's gonna be like that. Without an organizer, like that. I like that. Now hold on though. Hold on though. I got this baby organizer for this big ass bag. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my unboxing of the Pharrell and Louis Vuitton collection. I'm excited. It was everything I was hoping for. Of course, when I get back, I gotta go. I keep saying that, child, if I'm late. I gotta go do something with this hair. But when I get back, of course, I'm gonna take a sharper eye, both eyes, okay? Make sure everything is on the up and up. But from first impressions, she's that girl. Na, 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 na. Okay, listen. But next video will be my entire handbag collection, like everything. I'm showing you everything on my handbag. This won't be in it because I already filmed that video. But y'all know she here. Y'all know she here. So when y'all watch that in spirit, okay? But I filmed my entire... That was a long video. I needed so many water breaks. Chad, that was a long video. But I'm going to edit that video and get that out. Hopefully by... I'm going to edit it by the end of the day because I need to enjoy my birthday tomorrow. I need some time to enjoy my birthday tomorrow, so don't come for me. You're like, girl, we don't care. I know, my bad. So that's the next video, and I'm gonna warn you, it's a long one. It ain't my fault. But anyway, so you should see my entire handbag video, even the Walmart bags. Honey, I put everything in there. Okay, but of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And then follow me, keep up with me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Y'all gonna make me say it. Y'all gonna make me say it and keep saying it because you keep ignoring me. Okay, join my Facebook group. Okay, everything will be linked in my description, or everything is at Rakeedah's Closet. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.